Sorry, my phone cut out because of a notification. So just going to continue the video. So you have PVC here, then wood, and then wood. With this being an interior panel, I'm thinking that this is yours. So if you ever wanted, of course if you bought the home that is, you could change that out to PVC. Sometimes the neighbor will split the charge because there's a benefit to both. Here is your massive AC unit, which is new, so probably very energy efficient. And if this is a home of consideration, we can always call the electric company. They can tell you what the energy bill has been going for. But of course, keep in mind it's a vacant house, so energy bill will be a little bit less than if it's being used. All right, well, let's go ahead and take a look at the secondary rooms. You have here storage in the hallway. It's actually pretty generous. And then you have a room on both sides. They have laminate floors. Not a big room. It's hard to find houses that have large secondary rooms. Maybe 10 by 11. You know, you could maybe put a queen with really no end tables, or you can put a full with end tables. It's just they're not big, but that's just no idea why these builders don't just give us all adequate rooms, right? What's it gonna hurt for everyone to have a good sized bedroom? Maybe they do that so that the secondary, like the children and stuff, they don't stay there long, they move out. I don't know. So over here is your fourth room, right? We saw the master, we saw the other two, and then we see this room. This is what some people would consider an office, or not really an office, a guest room. It's a room with its own bathroom. I say its own bathroom, but it's not part of the room, so it's not technically a master, but it does have a bathroom right off of it. Like I said, the other one gave you the tub. This is giving you the shower only, and the master's giving you both. So, and then you still have your original sinks. Once again, another closet. So it's a pretty smart layout. You know, it has the three different sections, right? It has, when you walk in, down here is your guest. Down here around the corner is your master. And then down here at the end of the hall is your other two bedrooms. So it gives you the three different sections. So your garage is here. It's a 2-car. I'm a fan of when there's a window in the garage. It gives you some natural light. So that's nice. They have updated the floors to the garage. So has a little bit of that grit to it. It makes it a little less slippery. So that's kind of nice. There's your hot water heater. It says energy saver. Not sure if it's actually a hybrid, but it looks like a pretty nice one. You do have block wall, so that's great. It's a solid block house. Electrical panel. So this is probably plumbed for a sink, which they never put in. And then this garage door, these bars, it's reinforced hurricane, so you get discounts on insurance. When you inspect the house, these insurance companies, they ask you if you can get a 4-point and a wind mitigation from someone who's certified to write it up. My contractor, or my insurance guy with BPG Insurance or BPG Inspections, he can do 4-point wind mit, and those reports have several different things that he can check off, like Does it have reinforced bars on the garage door? Does it have, trying to think some of there's a number of things that will bring down your insurance because your house is that much safer. You got to kind of prove otherwise that you have some of these upgrades. If the house was built in a newer time, like in the last 10 years, all that stuff is standard now, so they know it. But an older house, then it can vary. But anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself, but just letting you know that this house definitely has some points. Or like I mentioned, with this this little fence that protects children from getting into the pool, that would be another thing that would give you discounts. So that's a good thing. All right, this will complete my video for Sandcastle.